But however, when we're using the past continuous, you have to really understand the context of what they're saying in order to identify the progressive action, okay? Which one was in progress? If I have two actions and then, for example, I have, a person run and then a person drive, I need to identify which one is interrupting which in the case of these activities that are interrupted, okay? So for example, if I have a person, again, a person and then run and then the car, is pass. So which one is in progress, okay? Which one is our reference as a progressive action, okay? I can say the person was running when the car passed, for example, okay? When I'm using that the running of the person is in progressive action. But then also I can use a backwards, okay? And I can express the car was passing. Again, this is a progressive action that I want to express, okay, when the person run in front of it, okay, for example. So again, depending of which action is in progress, and this is where you need to understand the context of what they're expressing, okay, and this is the proper use, okay. So you need to read the information, you need to understand the information in order to make clear which one was in progress, okay? In this case, the person running or the car passing, which one is the one that I'm going to make the emphasis to make it in progress and which one it's interrupting. And again, I can say, for example, when the car passed, remember, normally we use when as a connector for the past tense, okay? So when the car passed, okay, the person was running. So then I give emphasis to the running of the person, okay? And then this, the car passing, is the car passed, is just my reference time or my interrupting activity, okay? But then again, because of the context, okay, and this is what I really wanted to understand, that you need to really read the context, understand which action is the one that is going to be my reference as an interrupting sentence and which one is in progress. So I can also say, backwards. The person was running, the car was passing when the person ran, okay, in front of it. So the car was passing. This is the emphasis of my continuous action, okay? The car was passing, okay, when the person run in front of it, okay? Run in front of it. Now, if I want to use, for example, the connector while, okay, what I need to understand that while is going to be connected to the past continuous, which I can also use it, but this is like a little bit more explanation into this grammar, okay? For example, I can say, the car passed. You see, I'm going to use past tense here, and then I'm going to use my connector while. Okay, while. You see, and this one is going to get the past continuous. Okay, so the car passed while the person was running. Okay, so not necessary is that I need to see when in order to use these forms, okay? But then what is important, again, is that if I have when, normally we are going to use past tense. And when we have while, normally we're going to use past continuous in this type of sentences. Okay? So again, the car passed while the person was running. I'm giving this not as a continuous form. Yes, I'm using while, but while is the connector here, okay, to what I'm expressing after while, okay, not before. Before can be in past tense, okay, no problem, okay. So for example, the concert began. You see, I'm going to use past tense, and then while, and then when that action happened, I was doing another action. So the concert began while I was doing my homework. You see? But what I want you to understand is that while is connected to the past continuous. Okay? This is the connection that you really need to understand. Okay? And then, for example, when, you see, when, with the past tense, okay? When Marco came home, I was watching a movie. Okay? This is what is important. I'm using when, then normally I'm going to use past tense, and then when I use while, normally I'm going to use a past continuous, okay? But then the second part, not necessary, especially in this case, not necessary is going to be in past continuous as well, depending if I want to express that the two actions are simultaneous. Otherwise, I can also use a past tense as a reference time with the past continuous. Okay, so I hope that this explanation is a little bit simple, and well, see you